Okay. Hi, everyone. I'm back again with a trade review. This was Nasdaq 100, um, which I took yesterday during New York PM session. Yeah, so I just wanted to explain a little bit about um, the trade and what made me take this trade. Yeah. Okay. So, as you can see, the trade was taken during New York PM session. So, whenever I'm trading the PM session, I always look for some things. Okay. So, mostly, I I look for um, lunch trade liquidity, which is the high and low of lunch, I mean New York lunch, which is 12 o'clock. Yeah, that's what I look for. So assume price runs I'm bullish on a certain pair, either S&P or Nasdaq 100. So when I'm bullish, I want to see price run sell side liquidity, which is the 12 o'clock low. Then show me some sign of displacement and look for a fair value gap. Then take the trade um, to the opposite side, which is the buy side liquidity. That would be my target. So that's my perspective whenever I'm trading the New York PM session. So yesterday, if you can see, um, this was my high during the New York lunch, which is 12 o'clock, and this was my low during um, New York lunch. Okay, so after price um, breached my buy side liquidity, I knew that okay, I had an idea that the price will retrace a little bit, you know. So after my buy side liquidity was ran over, I had to start looking for for market structure shift, which happened here on this low because it made this high, then low, then high again, low, then high, then we had this displacement, this bearish candle here. If you can see, even before price came back into the fair value gap, the low wasn't taken yet. The low wasn't taken yet. So I had to still wait for price to take this low for me to I mean for me to confirm fully that I have to take this sell trade. So as a result, as you can see, after this um, order block, I mean it formed this order block here, then filled the fair value gap, started coming down. We blocked to the downside, market shift chain. I mean market structure shift here. Then we saw price again going back to revisit this order block here. So here was my entry. As soon as I just saw the price tapping the consequent encroachment here on this order block and closing below, that was confirmation that there is weakness and price is about to rally the downside. So here is where I entered my trade. Then my target was this sell side liquidity here. I didn't take any partial. It was just a full trade here. As you can see, it was a nice trade. The moment um, it just hit my take profit, I was even out of the trade. So this is the importance of waiting for a setup, guys. So assume you took this trade and you are trading prop firm, or let me say you are funded and you are, or maybe you are not yet funded, you are still trying to pass the challenge. These are the kind of setups you need, guys. If you know your strategy, you need to be very, very patient for you to take the trades. Don't just be pressing the buttons. The market won't go anywhere. But if you rush into getting into a trade, you find that you keep on losing money. You keep on um, losing those funded accounts. You keep on stressing and being depressed, you see. So patience, guys, helps a lot, more especially in trading. Patience is something that have made me to improve on my trading, because when I just started, if I see a rally going like this, my heart will start pumping to the point whereby I'll start I'll think as if I'm losing out on a trade. I'm losing out on money, but I'll end up getting stopped out. Because assume maybe I saw this price moving like this. Then all of a sudden I reach here. There was a fair value gap here. If I was one, I could have been like, oh, price is still moving to the upside and there's a fair value gap here. I could have took a buy here. But what could have happened? Within a short period of time, this is a 1 minute time frame. So after 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes, there could been there could have been a rally, this one, this displacement. And the way trading is, losses are easy to hold on to because you have that hope that I don't want to lose this money. So I'm hoping for the trade to do what? To go my way. So if I entered from here, you find that I'll still be waiting that maybe it will come and react from here. Of course, yes, it came to react from here. But imagine I entered from here. So still I'm in drawdown. So I'm hoping that price will come and continue to it will come and continue in my favor. But what happened? It continues to the downside. As a result, you can be closing your trade somewhere here, whereas you are in a lot deep, 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 deep drawdown. So, guys, when you make the rules in trading, try by the all means not to break anything. So for me, if none of these could have happened last night, I couldn't have taken this trade. I would better stay and protect my capital, you know, than getting into trade that I don't even know where it's going, you see. Of course, yes, I took one trade here. Here, I took one trade and my target was here. Okay, so the moment it just reached here, I closed the trade and I started waiting now to see how price will react here. Okay, so once you know what you are expecting for the market to do for you, then that will help you. It will give you the the what uh, it will give you that idea, you know, you see. So for me, all my idea for yesterday was at least for the market to pull back, to pull back a little bit. So that was my idea. So when I saw price like here at 1320, it made a strike to the downside, and all this, I knew that price will go up and reach this, run this buy side liquidity. After running this buy side liquidity, then there will be a reversal. You see, a reversal. That's why I took this trade, you know, confidently, and it paid out, and it played out. You know, the moment I just reached the buy side liquidity, I had to take it off. I had to cross it completely. Then waited for price to react and show me some sign of reversal before taking the trade. So this is uh, all I had for you guys. Make sure you like this video and follow my TikTok channel. I'm also on Facebook. Um, yeah, so I'll be posting, like I said at first, some trade ideas and some trade reviews, because for some people here, when I've just explained this, they have gotten even the concept on how I trade, you know. So if you see this as something that is helping you guys, me posting such kind of videos, or if you need anything, just let me in the comment of anything that I can clear on. I trade ICT concepts, you know, ICT concepts, smart money. And this is a simplified way of trading ICT, you know. So it has helped me. I've passed several funded accounts, you know, and yeah, it's the one I'm using right now. So if you want to learn more about my strategy, please follow this channel and see you next time.